talk about Nerf guns. Nerf guns, I got this a couple months ago or a year ago. I know it's kind of new than my other guns. You see me this in the Nerf war. You might want to check that out in my YouTube channel. And we have this gun here, and this gun is really fast. It is really fast. Yeah, it's really fast. And I will show you the next gun. The next gun is this. This broke the trigger in here. It broke. So it's going to have this trigger. So the trigger, you can only fit one bullet in. Before you can fit 8 bullets in here, in one sack right here, but now it's not. Moved in the next gun. Spider-Man. I think this is my oldest gun. Yeah, I think this is my oldest gun that I actually got. Yep, pretty old. Yep, pretty old. Yep. And we're going to actually do something with this. We're doing something with all these guns. And not all of these guns, but some of them. Look, this gun is really powerful. Oh, I like this. This is handy sometimes. You can get the armrest. You can get the armrest and you can attach it back on. It's quite that simple. It's actually simple. On to the next one. You heard me say in my Nerf War video, rifle. This is a rifle. And it only stores the 8 things. The 8 things like that gun, jammed up gun. It's like this box and then periscope. You can only see these lines that point to the directly that you want to aim. And I think this is actually pretty good. It can go 100 feet, the same with the destroyed gun. Go 100 feet. And there's something that I want to show you that isn't a gun. I probably showed you this a little bit, but I never talked about it. Because this is my vest that I bought. This vest I bought because I wanted a vest so I can have a Nerf war gun. So I'm going to actually show you. This. There's 8. Then there's pockets over here. And there's places to put your gun. And I saw a picture. But when I got this box, I saw a picture and I had tiny guns with like those round things. And this actually fits me well. I pretty enjoyed that. Okay, and now we're going to surprise Daddy, but actually we're going to surprise him in a way that you won't never guess. We're going to shoot him. We're going to shoot him with this destroyed dart. We're going to get him with this dart, okay? Okay? Let's do that, right? Okay, now we're going to enter his room. I got this Nerf gun loaded. We're going to the room. And then we got a sneak peek.
What are you doing?
Yes, we got him. Our secret mission is solved. Thanks for watching Orion Show and Tell. If you want to subscribe and like the like button down below. Thank you.